Hi, this is Andy at Infraready. So we've just been experimenting with a few bits of circuits. So we've got 4 times AAA batteries. They can be AA batteries or anything equivalent to 6 volts. We've got one of these LM, I think it's a 385 or something, like a 3 to 12 volt little amplifier circuits. So on the back of that, instead of wiring into the terminals, the plus and the minus DC, should I say, there we've actually soldered the power straight onto the back. You can do it into the screw terminals, but it doesn't really matter. And then the reason we've done that, we've tacked 2 more to power this AV board, or I think it's an audio spectrum display board. So what we're aiming to do with that, on the amplifier, so on the back side of the amp, you can actually input via headphone socket, but we've got this guitar pickup, so it's a little coil that can plug directly into the headphone socket, but we got a bit carried away and chopped off the end. So it's a mono circuit, so what you do is you put the copper wire to the negative post on the 3.5 jack on the underside, so you can see that connection around the top, and then this one's bridged these 2 tracks when you get it anyway, so you put the positive from the pickup basically into there. So really simple circuit, 6 volt battery, power the amp, piggyback off the amp and into the audio board. Obviously remove the mic, and then again on the underside of the tracks, tack 2 connections, and we've put that to the output of the amplifier. So you can adjust the sensitivity of the amplifier that I'll be picking up my phone. So basically this is like an EMF detector. And you can adjust the gain also on the amp if you wish. So if we put the amp pump on, because it's a single axis coil, you can see depending on which way it's twisted, it'll vary on the output. So you can see in that direction, it's like K2 really. They're more sensitive in one axis, so when you box this up, it's probably best to have the white end of the pickup out. These are quite good as well, so they've got a little suction cap, probably not the best on my desk because it's grained, but you can actually stick this to surfaces to read EMF off specific areas and surfaces as well. So like I say, it's a crude like EMF type hack. Nice and easy to do. Any questions, just give me a shout.